Jambo, welcome back, and we're going to learn about how to add a cell border. So first of all, let's save. You don't need to save to add a cell border, but I'm just saving as a precaution. So while you're away, I removed the background color for the subtotal because I want to use this to show you how to add a cell border. So to do that, just select the cell and go to Home tab and look for this icon here. It says bottom border, but you can select which border you want here. So there are different types of borders. There's the bottom border, the top border. So if I add the bottom border and click away, see, it has added the bottom border. I'm going to undo. The border is gone. Select Home tab, look for this icon. You can select the top border, left border, right border. Like there is a whole array of borders, and you can also draw the borders the way you want it. Okay, so I'm going to select the top border because I want it to look like that, because it's kind of an equal border, equal sign. And that's how to select one cell and change the border, but I want it to run across. So I'm going to undo, select the range of cells that I want to change the border, then go to Home and select the top border. Voila, this is how now you change the cells, and it can happen to any cell that you want. Okay, I would have changed for this, but it doesn't make sense to have a background color and also have a bottom border because that's too much formatting. So that's how you're able to change, add the cell border. And to also remove a cell border, just select the cell. Let's say I've put here, click on that. It duplicates what is done before, because now it's not saying bottom border, it's saying top border, because it uses whatever you've used last time. Select that cell. I want to remove that border. Just click on that drop down arrow, go to erase border, then click on it, boom, erased. Okay, it's literally like an eraser. So I'm going to click on that, then remove it. Okay, or just click on no border. Okay, that's it. Or the other way is, if you've selected that and there's a border, let me say a top border like that, the other way is just click on that cell and select no border, and it goes away instead of using the eraser. So depends on how easy it is for you to play around with the cell borders, but it also helps in how your data is presentable. That's it for adding cell borders and removing cell borders. See you in the next tutorial, where we'll be speaking about formatting data as currency. See you then.